Oh, hi. This video is about the metric system, like the basics. I know people here in the United States are still somewhat reluctant. I mean, at least the non-scientists. Of course, scientists in the United States still use the metric system, and or it's called the international system. And they use the English still. You know, um, you have to make conversions. You just can't because look at old books, stuff is in inches, and you're gonna have to make a conversion. So still relevant for historical purposes. Okay, I'll make this quick. The key to learning the metric system is to know this: that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. That's exact. There's no other digits after the 4. Um, so you can switch this around and say 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. Okay, if you were to divide this side by 2.54, of course you have to do it to this side so it stays in balance, this whole equation, so both sides are still equal. We'll get 1 centimeter equals 0.3937 inches, and that's very close to 0.4 inches, 4/10 of an inch. Okay, at least remember this one here, then you can figure out this from that. Other helpful things are 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. How big's a centimeter? Well, let me see. Here's my pen here. Regular pen. It's about I don't know, almost a 1/4 inch. If this is an inch, right here, just relatively speaking, if that's 1 inch there, um, so that's like 2.5 centimeters approximately. So that would be 2. So that would be like 1 centimeter, 2.5. So that's like this here is 1 centimeter right here, and this is 1 inch. From here to here is 1 centimeter, and that's 1 inch. So you can see the relative size of a centimeter. There's 2.54. It's about 2.5 or 2.5. 2 centimeters plus a half a centimeter. Okay. Just write this down on a piece of paper, and you can figure out all the other things. 100 centimeters is called a meter. So good to know that. Since a centimeter is 4/10 of an inch, if I was to multiply that by 10, I would have 4 inches equals about 10 centimeters. So let me write that down. 4 inches equals about 10 centimeters. In fact, if you have a liter volume, is about 10 centimeters by 10 by 10, so that's 100 times 10 to 1,000 cubic centimeters is, well, it's on a cube with a side of 4 inches and a height of 4 inches and a width of 4 inches. That's the size of a liter volume. So a liter is a 1,000 cc or milliliters or cubic centimeters. If you were to take this 1 inch value, multiply it by 12, and we get 1 foot, or 12 inches equals 1 foot equals, and then the other side, multiply by 12, is 30.48 centimeters. Okay, that's your foot. So that's the basics there of metric distances. So At least remember that. Okay, thank you.